guys, how are you? Everyone is fine. So today I'm going to start a new concept from haloalkanes and haloarenes, and we have also discussed about the electrophilic substitution of our haloarenes, and also we have seen that in chlorobenzenes generally the product give us at the products, that is the electrophilic substitution occurs at ortho and para positions, and from that the para positions products are the major one. So generally the major product you can say. So let's start whether the haloarenes undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions or not. So today our topic is that whether the haloarenes undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions or not. So what is the today's discussions we have, that is haloarenes undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions. Haloarenes undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so for that we have to see that in case of electrophilic substitution reactions, the product occurs at ortho and para position. Due to why it is so, why the nucleophilic substitution reaction not takes place via breaking of carbon and chlorine bond. So since we have, for that we have seen some factors, and that factors are responsible. That is, the first factor is the resonance effect. Then self ionization if occurs, then there is no such tendency. That means the benzene ring will be stabilized. Okay, so generally after breaking of carbon chlorine bond, the carbon which is positive in charge, that is called carbocation, will not be stabilized, okay, by only delocalizations of the pi electrons that is already in the benzene ring. And next, in case of phenyl halide also this is the same case. We have already discussed all those things. And one more effect we have seen, that the hybridization. So here the carbon and chlorine bond in case of haloarenes, and in case of haloalkanes the hybridization is there, no? So one is the sp2 hybridized carbon and the other one is the sp3 hybridized carbon. And due to the sp2 hybridized carbon, and also carbon and chlorine have some partial double bond character, what we can conclude from that? So we can conclude that the bond is very, very strong. So also the carbon and chlorine bond is not easily breakable, like of haloalkanes where the pure single bond existed. So here whether haloarenes undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions or not, yes it is, yes it is so, but it occurs under drastic conditions और हार्श कंडीशंस यू कैन से. ठीक है, कोई कोई किताब में हार्श कंडीशंस लिखा रहता है, कोई कोई बुक्स में ड्रास्टिक कंडीशंस या अंडर माइल्ड कंडीशंस, अंडर एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस. सो ऑल आर सिमिलर फैक्टर्स, ऑल आर सिमिलर टर्म्स. तो हर एक बुक्स में अलग अलग टर्म से ये लोग मेंशन करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे जनरली yes, haloarenes undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions, but it occurs under drastic conditions like higher temperature. Drastic condition means higher temperature, or suppose extremely low temperature. So higher temperature or extreme low temperature बोल सकते हो. At higher pressure or at lower, extreme lower pressure. Then some conditions you have to take, like in acidic conditions or in basic condition the reactions will happen. So this is the this is called drastic conditions, and extreme conditions you can say. So basically why this is so, that we have to discuss, and how the nucleophilic substitution reactions will be favorable, will be will given a very stable product, or we can say will give in case of haloarenes. If you undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions, if you want to do some nucleophilic substitution reaction, then whether it will react or not, yes it will be, but it will be occur under drastic conditions. So generally, so first here chlorobenzene suppose, ठीक है. सो क्लोरोबेंजीन, ये जो क्लोरोबेंजीन होते हैं, this chlorobenzene undergoes reactions, okay, it will form a alcohol, but at a temperature of 623 Kelvin and about pressure 300 atm, it forms what? It forms alcohol. Okay, so under drastic conditions the chlorobenzene can be converted to the phenol. Okay, so you are giving some higher temperature as well as about higher pressure, this molecule converted to phenol, that is alcohol. So chlorobenzene can be converted to alcohol, but under some extreme conditions at about higher temperature and higher pressures, this can be converted to phenol. Okay, so generally यहाँ पे हम लोग एक चीज बात कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे एक चीज बोल सकते हैं, the haloarenes react with the NaOH. The haloarenes react with NaOH in these conditions and forms phenol by substitution of chlorine group by OH group. So you can see that this carbon and chlorine bond here, the chloro group is substituted by an OH group, but these conditions you have to follow. That means under basic conditions the reactions will happen. That means in basic conditions, that is sodium hydroxide and dilute HCl, sodium hydroxide and in dilute HCl, and at a higher temperature and pressure, this converted to phenol. So these conditions you have to see. But what about the case when the chlorobenzene will have some minus I effect group? वहाँ पे reactions कैसे होंगे, उस चीज को हम लोग को देखना है. ठीक है, so let's start. Then what are the effects if the chlorobenzene contains some chlorobenzene contains some minus I effect, minus I effect group, या फिर बोल सकते हो इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing group. So however, अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing group होते हैं in the haloarenes, this haloarenes becomes more reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. मतलब अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing group होंगे, इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing groups होंगे like NO2, carboxylic acid or suppose CHO. Suppose these other electron withdrawing groups will be there with the chlorobenzene, with your chlorobenzene, and these groups will be at, if these groups at अगर ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजिशंस में होते हैं, ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजिशंस में अगर तुम्हारा ये सब ग्रुप्स होते हैं, जैसे विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स अगर होता है, प्रेजेंट होता है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होंगे? सो यहाँ पे देखने को मिलेंगे कि विथ योर क्लोरोबेंजीन एट ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजिशंस, इट विल शो, इट गिव्स nucleophilic substitution. It gives nucleophilic substitution reactions. What? It gives nucleophilic substitutions more. So यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं कि electron withdrawing groups like NO2 or carboxylic acid or suppose aldehyde group with your chlorobenzene at ortho and para positions, okay, then it gives nucleophilic substitution more tremendous or more prominent in comparison to meta position. In comparison to the meta position. So from that, how can you what you can conclude? So if the electron withdrawing groups present at ortho and para positions, a chlorobenzene compound is there, chlorobenzene is there, and at ortho and para positions, suppose electron withdrawing groups are present. So if the electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho position or suppose in ortho and para positions, so what will happen? The reactions will be the reactions will be more, the haloarenes becomes more reactive in comparison to the your in comparison to the what? In comparison to the your meta positions. Okay, why it is so? So generally हम लोग आज एक चीज देखने वाले हैं, साथ ही साथ हम लोग with some reactions we will conclude one case here. So what are the particular reactions we will cite? Okay, if the chlorobenzene have ortho and para, if the chlorobenzene contains an electron withdrawing groups at ortho and para positions. Guys clear? So यहाँ पे हम लोग अभी start करते हैं, ठीक है? So let us start. So suppose chlorobenzene, just you see the conditions what I am citing here. Suppose you are taking a chlorobenzene, okay, one is and the other molecule is ये क्या नाम है इसका? इसका नाम है 1-chloro-4 नाइट्रोबेंजीन, 1 2 3 4। और एक कंपाउंड में लेता हूं, शायद छोटा हो जाएंगे, ठीक है, मैं एक काम करता हूं, ऊपर लिख देता हूं ताकि तुम लोग को क्लियर रहे। यहाँ पे ये क्लोरोबेंजीन है, ये 1-chloro-4 नाइट्रोबेंजीन है, ठीक है। इसके बाद और एक कंपाउंड में लिखता हूं, एट ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजिशंस, ठीक है। इसके बाद मैं और एक लिख सकता हूं, हाँ, दैट इज बोथ ऑल द ortho positions are occupied by NO2 group, that is electron withdrawing groups. इसका नाम है पिक्राइल क्लोराइड, कॉमन नेम। और IUPAC नेम क्या होंगे इसमें? सो IUPAC नेम विल बी व्हाट? IUPAC नेम विल बी 2,4,6 ट्राइनाइट्रोक्लोरोबेंजीन व्हिच इज नोन एज पिक्राइल क्लोराइड। हर एक केस में हम लोग रिएक्शन देखेंगे, द रिएक्शन कंडीशंस यू विल सी। As we have already, I have told you that before going to this concept, मैंने कुछ देर आगे भी बताया कि if the electron withdrawing group is present at ortho and para positions, then the reactions will be more tremendous way. That means the reactions will be the rate of the reactions will be much faster in comparison to the others, because here only one electron withdrawing group is present. Here 2 electron withdrawing group is present. Here 3 electron withdrawing group is present. So here the reactions will be much faster in comparison to the others. Okay, so let's start. We will see only the conditions which I will write in this arrow, just to see the conditions which I will write in this arrow. So here it has been seen that here the conditions I have taken about 6 to 8% NaOH, मतलब 8 ml of, that is volume by, that is what, mass by volume percentage. So that is 6 gram of NaOH dissolved in 100 ml of water, that is sodium hydroxide aqueous solution भी बोल सकते हो, at around 623 Kelvin and dilute in presence of dilute HCl. Okay, so what the reactions will happen? So similarly, this chloro group will be substituted by the OH group, but under some drastic conditions, at about some higher pressure and higher temperature. Okay, now in the next conditions you will see that the condition little bit changed here. So here you are taking 15% NaOH, that is 15 gram of NaOH dissolved in the 100 ml of water at around 443 Kelvin. See, the temperature goes on decreasing as we move from where the substituent is not present, that is when the minus I group is not present here in this case, here the temperature required is more. But when you move towards the other compound, that is when it contains an NO2 group at para positions, the temperature decreases. The temperature goes on decreasing. So here the temperature only required about 443 Kelvin in presence of dilute HCl. So here at chloro positions, the OH group will be substituted and NO2 group will be remain as usual. Similarly, in the next step, what will happen? Simply you have to take aqueous NaOH aqueous NaOH means little bit, 2 gram of NaOH dissolved in 100 ml water. You have to make a NaOH solutions, okay, at around 368 Kelvin in presence of dilute HCl. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, यहाँ पे बहुत टेम्परेचर कम लग रहा है, अराउंड 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड कम हो गया यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ पे क्या होंगे प्रोडक्ट, तो यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट होंगे OH, देन NO2, देन NO2. ठीक है, सिर्फ कंडीशन देखना जो एरो में लिख रहा हूँ, तो इससे मालूम हो जाएंगे कि जितना सब्स्टिट्यूएंट बढ़ रहा है उतना टेम्परेचर घट रहा है. और टेम्परेचर घट रहा है मतलब ड्रास्टिक कंडीशन का जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज द रिएक्शन goes much tremendous way, or you can say the reactions proceed in a very fast way. तो यहाँ पे due to the minus I effect group when it attached with the chlorobenzene, तो यहाँ पे क्या होंगे, तो तीनों जगह में क्या होंगे, NO2 ही रहेंगे, बस क्लोरो के जगह में क्या आ जाएंगे, एक OH ग्रुप आ जाएंगे. तो इसका नाम क्या होंगे, इसका नाम होंगे 2,4,6 ट्राइनाइट्रोफिनॉल, जिसका नाम है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड है ये, पिक्रिक एसिड. इसको बोला जाता है पिक्रिक एसिड, 2,4,6 ट्राइनाइट्रोफिनॉल. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से तुम देख सकते हो कि एज वी मूव फ्रॉम दिस कंपाउंड टू दिस कंपाउंड, दैट इज फ्रॉम क्लोरोबेंजीन टू पिक्राइल क्लोराइड, वी हैव सीन दैट द conditions are changing, that is the drastic conditions are not required. So here only in presence of water at around 323 Kelvin, these reactions you can get, this product you can get by only treating with water, that is the conditions, and in presence of 323 Kelvin at about this Kelvin, this temperature. So generally you have seen that when you move from this compound to this compound, we are seeing the conditions are changing, no, accordingly. So यहाँ पे हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि increases of the reactivity based on the positions. तो यहाँ पे मैं एक टॉपिक लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे, तुम लोग को याद रहेंगे. तो फिर increases of reactivity based on position. तो पोजिशंस के ऊपर रिएक्टिविटी क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है. पोजिशंस के ऊपर रिएक्टिविटी बढ़ रहा है मतलब as you introduce more and more minus I effect on the chlorobenzene, the reactions will occur in a very simple situation. You don't have to apply higher temperature, you don't have to apply some higher pressures. Then the conditions, the mixtures or the reactants which you are using, that also goes on decreases. Simple, just you have to need acidic condition or basic conditions will be required. If the more minus I effect substituent, minus I effect group will be there. So these are the some conditions you have to see, and these are the some conditions. From there we can prepare haloarenes. As we are seeing that from chlorobenzene we are producing what, phenol. So it is an alcohol derivative. Now this class of compound will get under harsh conditions, okay, because here no such electron withdrawing substituent is present. So these are the some phenomenon you have to remember, that with the increasing of the minus I effect group, the reactivity goes on increasing, okay. The harsh condition is not required, simply the conditions will be required at little temperature, and about the conditions only in water. So only water, if you add water only at about this temperature, the reactions will proceed and it forms 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, that is known as picric acid, okay. ये येलो कलर्ड कंपाउंड होते हैं, ये येलो कलर्ड कंपाउंड होते हैं, ठीक है. तो जनरली येलो कलर्ड सॉलिड प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन होते हैं यहाँ पे. अभी जो मेटा पोजिशंस का बात कर रहे थे, मेटा पोजिशंस में ऐसा क्यों नहीं होते. मेटा पोजिशंस में अगर होते हैं तो जनरली उतना रिएक्टिविटी क्यों फास्ट नहीं होते. अगर, क्योंकि एक तो बात है, एक चीज याद रखना कि ये क्लोरोबेंजीन है. पहली बात, क्लोरोबेंजीन मतलब ये एक्सर्ट प्लस आर भी करेंगे, ये एक्सर्ट माइनस आई भी करेंगे, मतलब ये बेंजीन को डीएक्टिवेट भी करेंगे, साथ ही साथ ये क्या करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्टिवेट भी करेंगे. मतलब it will have a tendency to withdraw the electron from the benzene ring, that is called it is a deactivating group. Also it have a plus R effect, that is called positive resonance effect. That means with this lone pair of electrons, it will come out, it will come back, it will come towards this benzene ring and it forms a delocalization. That is, we will get some resonating structures as we have studied in the earlier videos. So from that, it has also plus R effect, it also contains some, it also have a minus I effect. So what that is indicate? It indicates that here you can see we are obtaining some minus charges. So here any generally NO2 means it is nitronium ion and it is involved in the nitration reactions. So where it will come at ortho or para positions. But here if the electrophile is in the meta position, suppose, then what will happen? Whether it will be very easy, whether you will get the product, yeah, product will be formed. But see, ये क्लोरोबेंजीन है. अगर मैं और एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं, जैसे क्लोरोबेंजीन है और सपोज नाइट्रो मेटा पोजीशन में नाइट्रो ग्रुप है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन टू क्लोरोबेंजीन, whether it will give you much faster reactions, or suppose it needs a Hertz conditions, or it occurs, that means to form a phenol, OH group and NO2, it will form also OH group, that is replacement of chloro group by OH group. So in both these cases, whether the reactions condition will be same? No. Here the conditions will be very different. Why it is different? Because it contains an NO2 group which is an electron withdrawing substituent. तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ, हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं इसमें कि यहाँ पे रिएक्शंस क्या होंगे, ये रिएक्शन इससे ज़्यादा फास्ट होंगे. ठीक है guys? So what you have seen that in case of chlorobenzene and in case of metanitrobenzene, we have metachloronitrobenzene. Okay, so what you have seen that these reactions will be, this product or this compound will form what? It is somehow, it will be much more reactive than chlorobenzene towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. That means it undergoes nucleophilic substitutions in a very tremendous way in comparison to the chlorobenzene. That means its reaction is faster in comparison to the chlorobenzene. Okay, because here one electron withdrawing substituent is present, but it is